In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add menu items in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to add clear, clickable links to your store's navigation. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com, click Login, then sign in using your preferred method. Once you're in your admin dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar, find and click Content. This is where Shopify keeps tools for things like files, blog posts, and importantly for us today, your site navigation. Inside Content, click Menus. Here you'll see the menus that power your storefront, typically including the main menu and the footer menu. The main menu controls the links across the top of your site, while the footer menu appears at the bottom. Pick the one you want to update by clicking its name. If you're not sure which is which, you can preview your storefront in another tab to compare. Inside the menu, click Add Menu Item. You'll see fields for the label and the link. The label is the text shoppers will see, so keep it short, accurate, and clear. Think shop, new arrivals, about, or contact. For the link, you can either paste a URL or, better yet, click to browse your store's items and choose a specific destination. Selecting from your store ensures the link updates automatically if something changes later. Common choices include a collection, a specific product, a page like about or contact, or your home page. If you're sending people to another website, paste the full URL and double check it for typos. A quick tip on organization: if your store has many items, linking to a collection keeps navigation tidy and helps customers find related products in one place. Also, avoid overly long labels. They can wrap awkwardly and clutter your header. When you're happy with the label and link, click Save. Saving publishes the change to your storefront. Open your store in a new tab or refresh an existing preview to confirm the new link appears where you expect and that it goes to the correct destination. If you don't see the update immediately, give it a moment and refresh again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a menu item in Shopify, creating a smoother path for your customers to explore your store. If you ever need to adjust it, return to the same menu, edit the item, and save again. Thanks for watching and happy building.